Another quick video here, working on the '05 Buick LaCrosse CXL, and I'm just changing the cabin air filter, doing some basic maintenance, and I watched a Haynes video that had said it was for an '05 up to some other year, I can't remember. It's a pretty big range, but it was for the Buick LaCrosse. Maybe it's different for the CXL versus another model, trim model, but I just wanted to quick show you guys how easy it is. I already have it disassembled, and I'll just kind of show you what I did. So one common reason you might want to just check it every once in a while, even just because it's so easy, is just, you know, if your vents are blowing like really weak, that could be your blower motor, and you'll be able to see that in this video as well, just kind of what that looks like. But if you have a really clogged filter, like I know I have here, that could be a factor as well. So don't go and immediately go to the blower motor. First step, once you open the hood, just go ahead and take your line here. Just has a little clip for the windshield wipers. Just kind of tuck that under. Weather stripping, just kind of pull off just a little bit. And I had already taken this out. It's kind of hard to put back, so it's going to be difficult when I do that. But it kind of just sits right there. It's kind of an odd little piece of plastic. And it's got like these little tabs that fit in the holes. And then all the way in the very back corner there, in this hole right here, you're just gonna have one single clip. I mean, mine kind of came apart, but it's your basic push clip. Just get a screwdriver, tool like this, anything that'll pry it up and then try not to break it. Get that out of the way, and then this piece will come up, and you have quick access. You can see how many leaves are already in mine. So it's pretty dirty, even aside from the leaves, but it's pretty. I'll try to take it out here for you guys, hopefully without dropping any leaves. So I mean, this is a new filter. Pretty big difference, even just aside from the leaves. So you just want to, I mean, obviously make sure what you're breathing is good air, but that'll affect, that could smell, you could have mold at some time growing in there if water ever got in there and got trapped. And then all the way down in there, you can see your blower motor. So you can see dust in there and stuff, and I'm not gonna go in there and clean that. If you really want to, you could easily fit your arm in there and wipe it out. But that could be your other culprit if your blower motor is bad. The one on this car is actually kind of loud. It's an aftermarket one, but yeah, that is a quick tutorial. You guys have any questions, maybe on specific year or anything, I can try to help out if you give me a shout in the comments.